Want to know the easiest way to double your money? It is not crypto. It is not day trading. It is something way more boring and way more proven. It is called the Rule of 72. The idea is simple. With steady investing and a solid return, your money can double over time without constant effort. Let us look at the bigger picture. You invest once and let time do the heavy lifting. Over the years, your money keeps growing, and that growth starts building on itself. That is how small amounts turn into large ones. Now imagine adding a small amount every month. That is when things really start to accelerate. Your money is not just growing, it is compounding. This is the power of compound interest. Even Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. The key is consistency. Markets will go up and down a noise. Recessions will happen. Keep investing. What matters most is staying in the game long enough for your money to grow. Most people waste time chasing quick wins or perfect timing while their money sits still. The truth, simple investments, long-term thinking, and consistency are how real wealth is built. Stop looking for shortcuts, start investing, and let time work for you.